Hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Traveler's Mantra. It's time for second service of my car XUV 300 W8 for petrol version. I'm going to nearest authorized showroom, which is India Garage, which is around 4-5 kilometer from here. There are some issues with my car like headlight adjustment and some mileage issues. I'm not having proper mileage issue. I'm just going to tell them that I'm having an issue with them, and I'm having an issue with what I would say noise from the engine. Little bit noise. It's not a major one. It's a little bit. Maybe I'm thinking that because of service, it's already 10,000 kilometer. Maybe that's one of the reason which we are getting the noise. Maybe after changing the engine oil, it's gonna be okay. And the service cost which I have seen in the with you Measure app, which is around close to 2,000 rupees. The major portion of the cost will be from the engine oil, which is Ultra Max Mile, which is costing around 1,500. Let's see. Let's go and talk to the technicians or service dealer. Let's see. We are going to get more detail from them. So basically I'm having some issues like what I can say, um, mileage issue. Not low, so what we are expecting, and I'm not getting that much.
Okay.
And I'm getting little bit noise from the engine.
Like what type of noise? What type of noise?
Earlier and now I'm feeling difference. Little bit noise.
Vibration or noise? Or like
Noise and vibration is not there.
Okay.
Noise like little bit. I don't know. Maybe because of service or all. I don't know. And headlight adjustment have to done.
focus.
Because it's not good actually.
Okay.
I'm not able to see because of white lights.
Okay.
I'm not able to see.
Okay.
And other than that, I don't think any issues. Check it out dashboard, anything like any loose, anything like that.
Rattling noise is there.
Yeah,
Okay.
just check it out. And wheel alignment, can you check it out?
Wheel alignment. Huh?
Yeah.
No, we'll just see if it's necessary. We can.
Yeah,
do
if it is necessary, I mean,
Yeah.
just check it out.
Okay. If there is any wobbling or something, we'll try adjusting it. If there is no issue, we'll leave it.
Okay.
This wire has to be removed.
I given my vehicle to them, and they are going to check all the details which are ticked here, including the mobile charger, the boot mat, everything. They are going to check each and everything there. What we have an issue, dashboard rotating noise, engine abnormal noise, and headlight focusing. There are some major issues which I have told them, and they are going to do the car wash as well, but they don't do any pressure wash under the body. Other than that, they can do everything, and they're going to clean everything, and they will do wheel alignment if it is required. I think for my knowledge, I don't think we need any wheel alignment because it's only 10,000 kilometers. It might be after 20,000 kilometers or 15,000 kilometers. Let's see. It will take another 4 to 5 hours because there are a lot of vehicles are in queue. So we need to wait for until they will call us. We can track in the With You Amesha app what has been done and what exactly they are doing. We cannot track with that. And the estimation cost which they have mentioned that it's gonna be like 2,500, around 3,000. Let's see. We can check it out based upon invoice what have been done. Will comes to know that. But in the With You Amesha app, they have mentioned only close to 2,000. I don't know why these guys are saying 2,500 to 3,000. Maybe I have told multiple issues. Maybe they are adding all those charges inside that. Let's see. I'm going back to home. I'm going to use the YouTube to go home. So I just need to scan the QR. I already have the app. I just need to scan and go. So here you need to scan. Let's see. This is a smooth ride. You can see. There is no sound. Just electric. You just need to accelerate. I think it is going around 20-30 speed or around, I would say, 30 or 40. Nice leg space as well. For shorter distance, we want to avoid any cabs or I would recommend DC bike. It's gonna help you and it is very cheaper as well. And you can get rent as well. I just completed my ride and I need to end the ride from the app, so it is costing me 35 rupees and the discount is 25 and I need to pay only 10 rupees. I'm going to change my bike from here because the battery is very low, so I don't want to go with this. This bike has 80% charging and the range for this bike is 40 to 50 kilometers. I'm using this bike now. Let's see. I got a call from Mahindra and the vehicle is ready. I'm going to get the vehicle. I'm going to see the condition of the vehicle. It's almost 6 o'clock. They have told me to wait another 30 minutes. That means they are delayed for 2 hours. I given my vehicle at 11:30. I was supposed to get it at 4:30 p.m. But still they are delaying due to lot of vehicles. हो गया क्या? जो इधर बोला है वो नहीं किया है क्या? फिक्स मारने के लिए बोल रहे हैं ना? ये क्या है? पॉलिश मारने के लिए बोला। I got the vehicle and I got the bill from the Mahindra service center, which is costing me around 2,800, which I expected, and the 500 rupees which I got extra is I took perfume from them. That's one of the reason which the bill got increased. Otherwise everything is fine. I came back to home. I have noticed some of the minor changes, which are the accelerator is a bit tight, and I feel the brake system and the clutch is also seems to be tight for me. I don't know why, and as well as gears as well. So I don't know, maybe they have used a lot of grease or oils. I need to check after a couple of days so that I can understand whether it because of the service or not. So I noticed one thing, that the engine is smooth now. There is no such noise. I feel good for now. I haven't noticed the headlight, the wave and all. So I'll come to know that when I go outside, maybe for long drive, then I come to know that whether the light is good or not. And we need to focus on the headlight of lights. As per my knowledge, we need to change it, and the 55 watts is the light which comes from the Mahindra. So we need to change it to 65 or 70 around, so that the light and light focus will be good. And I don't want to go with the white light, because it will be difficult for other person to see the road. So that's one of the reason which I'm not liking to go with white light. I wanted to stick with my yellow light, but I'm going to increase the votes for light. So that's one thing, because always if I want to go with white light with a high watts bulb, so I need to change the wiring. I don't want to change wiring, because it comes up with the Mahindra or your cars, so that is original. They will recommend only the exact. If you can see the owner manual, you comes to know that what is the maximum watts you can increase. Other than that, if you would like to go with your customize, yes, you can go with, but you need to change the wiring. Just need to plug for other wire when you want to use the high lights. Okay, that's one thing. That's it from my side. If you like the video, please do like and share and subscribe, and I'm coming with more videos related to car and related to the traveling. So there is big vlogs are coming up in few days. Thank you.